Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to see the history of viewed videos in TikTok. That is, you can see the video that you have lost, but have already managed to view. How do you do that? There is a great way. Or to find it, click on our profile icon. Then click on the three bars. Then choose Settings and Privacy. Go down a little bit lower and select Comment and Watch History. And here we can see all the videos we've watched today or the day before. You can select the videos that you would like to remove from the history. You can clear the history or find videos that you couldn't find before. As you can see, this is a very easy and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.